When a customer gets sticker shock from the price of brake parts or service, it presents a perfect opportunity for you to educate them on the value of quality brake service and why it's worth that extra investment. Just because the shops down the road offer something cheaper doesn't mean the service is better than yours, especially if you value doing things the right way without cutting corners. For customers experiencing price concerns, explain why showing the value of spending more on brake services can help them understand the importance of quality repairs at a higher cost. You should start by explaining the cost of parts being replaced in your customer's vehicle. Shops that cut corners or look to save a buck themselves may provide inexpensive brake pads, for example, but this could come as a detriment to the customer down the road. Reputable brake manufacturers invest serious money into designing pads for certain makes and models. Specific testing puts brake systems through rigorous simulations to ensure real-world effectiveness and recreate the vehicle's exact braking dynamics through factors like mass, inertia, and stopping force. Explaining how quality engineering prevents issues down the road can help customers understand that by saving money with no-name pads, they'd likely experience problems and have to come back to that shop. However, quality components matched to their exact vehicle is money well spent. What about rotors? Often, shops that offer cheap brake service will skip any rotor service or replacement, offering to only do that for extra money. Not addressing the rotors every brake job is setting your shop up for a comeback that can rid of any profit you may get from installing those cheap brake pads. When you compromise on components or important additional steps to brake service, you sacrifice quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but those shortcuts will catch up to you and your customers down the road, leading to comebacks and angry customers. Ask yourself this: who are your best customers? The one who come to you for every car problem. The chances are they aren't coming to you strictly for the cheapest brake service in town. No, they come to you because they trust you thoroughly inspect their vehicle and do quality work that keeps them confident and secure on the road. If you want more repeat business and continuous referrals, don't cut corners. Take the time to explain why paying a little more for quality parts and your skilled labor as technicians provides value that corner cutting shops simply can't match. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.